YouTube family, how you guys doing? It's been a while, and first off, let me first apologize. I am going to apologize to every single one of you. First, let me say I am sorry, but the truth is I have been balancing my personal life and also my business life is there. So these two coming together has not been easy for me, and because of this I just want to apologize to every single one of you. I know it's been a while I dropped a video here, and the last video I dropped here is about how you can actually calibrate your pH meter. I am sorry for that noise. That has to be the rain. It is raining here. So how you can calibrate your pH meter. Now back to my business. What has been happening so far? I have been rebranding. I have been busy with rebranding, and that also has been keeping me busy, and it didn't give me time to come out here and do more videos for you people. Now I just want to use this medium to say a big thank you to every single one of you, my subscribers, to intending subscribers, and to my old subscribers. I just want to say a big thank you. I want to say a big thank you because despite the fact that I don't show up, you all keep subscribing to this channel. You all keep trusting me every blessed day. And you know what? You all know what? Because of this, I want to do more. And I want to hear from you, my audience, from you, my subscribers. I know that you all have been enjoying some of my videos. I can see from my from my YouTube studio. And I just want to ask you all, what more content do you want from me? I saw some requests, some video requests, people asking me to make face wash for them, people asking me to make serums, oils, different things. And if you're one of them, if you want a video request from me, I want you to drop that under this video. I want you to tell me what you want me to do next for you in my channel, and I'm just going to check every single comment, and I'm going to make a video that maybe has the highest demand, and that is exactly what I am going to make. Now let me use this medium to tell you all what I have been doing regarding my skincare brand. For my skincare brand, I decided to rebrand. Rebranding means I decided to change my business name, and if you all can see from your screen above, you will see that the name is no longer AAA Luxury Skincare. Now, one of the reasons why I actually changed my business name is because I saw that you all were finding it difficult to locate me on Instagram. Some of you come to my WhatsApp and you be like, I cannot find you, I cannot see your video, I cannot see your username. It is even difficult for you people, and as a result of this, I had to change my business name, and I had to go from AAA Luxury Skincare, and now I am now known as TAL Naturals. So if you want to search for me or my business page on Instagram, just type out TAL Naturals and you're going to see it. I am sorry to disappoint some of you. Today's video is not about I'm not here to make any video today. Today is just an appreciation video. That is the first one. Second one, I have come here to apologize to every single one of you because I know that I have not been showing up consistently, and I just want to say Emma Binu, I am sorry. In Yoruba, Emma Binu, and if you are English too, you understand English, I am sorry. Okay, I just want to apologize once again. So for my skincare brand, like I said, I had to change my business name. I am no longer AAA Luxury Skincare. I am now TAL Naturals. Also, I had to change my labels from what my stickers used to look like. I had to change everything completely, and I had to go from selling premixing products now to selling natural skincare products. So I want to use this medium equally to tell people, to tell you, my audience, that I sell my skincare products. In case you want to test out my products, I sell my skincare products. So if you want to do that, I am going to be dropping my WhatsApp link. Okay, my WhatsApp link will direct you to my WhatsApp, and from there you can always make inquiries about different types of skincare products that I sell. Equally, if you're an wholesaler and you want to do wholesale deal with me, you don't want to go through the stress of production, you just want to sell products that are 100% effective, safe for the skin, and also formulated for different skin concerns, you can always reach out to me. Equally, using this number you're seeing up on your screen. And if you want to connect with me on all my business pages, I am on Instagram as TAL Naturals, and on TikTok I am on TikTok equally as TAL Naturals. So you can always connect with me here. I am not a scam. I am 100% legit, and you can always trust me. Equally, I want to tell you all that I have a wait list. Now, we have a wait list where people who are interested in our products can always join our group. So if you know that you are interested in this product I am about to launch, you can always join my WhatsApp wait list, because there you even get to enjoy exclusive offers like free gifts, discounts, and all sorts of that. That is what you are going to be enjoying when you join my WhatsApp wait list. So equally, if you want to do that, just that same number, and equally I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link in the description box. So for today, I am going to tell you again, if you want me to drop a video, if you want me to drop a particular video for you here on my YouTube channel, I want you to drop that here in the comment section. Tell me, what video do you want me to make next on my YouTube channel? The comments, the video request with the highest comment is exactly what I am going to drop, and I promise you all that is exactly what I'm going to drop.
So these are some of the things I had to change. These are our new containers. These are what exactly they look like, which is exactly one of the reasons why we had to create new labels in the first place. I don't want to bore you all with my long talks. You all should just enjoy the rest of the video. Do not forget the video request. If there is anything you want me to make next, I want you to drop that in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I am going to see you all in my next one. I love you all. Bye for now.